For those of you that know me, you know I had a very soft spot for the wonderful van business that was Arrival. And who knows, that actual van there might be the one that I actually drove. Isn't it incredibly sad to see all of these brilliant vehicles never making it to the place where they belong, which is on the road and in the hands of van users everywhere? I'm going to go inside and check out what's left of Arrival. So I'm here in the warehouse that once housed Arrival, and I think it was that very spot there, in that little cage, that the Arrival van was due to be built. But of course, instead, they focused on a whole host of other things. And sadly, this, for me, is the result. Sadly, just here, probably another reason why the Arrival van didn't quite make it. They decided to build a car, which is, quite frankly, sacrilege. Remnants of a van that never quite got put together. I'm sure somebody's bought it to kind of have a bit of fun with all those parts. They're selling off all of this stuff, and you could bag yourself a steering wheel. I'm tempted. Do you know what, honestly, as I'm walking around and seeing Arrival boxes and panels and tools and equipment, it's really quite sad, and I mean that genuinely. To think of all the jobs, to think of all the people, to think of all the energy and time that ultimately has come to nothing. It is an incredible shame. I really hope that one of the manufacturers that are out there can benefit from the tech, the insight, the clever stuff that these guys did, and integrate that into the future. I know of companies that already bought some of this equipment, and I might well just buy myself a little memento. Check this out. So my time is up. It's quite a sad day, if I'm really honest. Just really disappointing to see the vans there and an empty warehouse and a fire sale. I did get my memento, and it'll take pride of place somewhere in my house. Caroline will find out about it later. Anyway, let's take this as a reminder. We need to focus and deliver. It's a shame, but Arrival has departed.